Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today let's begin with new topic, that is file handling, how we can handle any type of file and which operation we perform generally with on file. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, hope you have already started learning Python, and in future we're gonna see multiple of language databases as per industry need. You will gain like industry oriented knowledge with me. If you are a college student, if you are graduate, if you are working individuals, I can help all of you. Okay, so let's begin with today's topic. This is file operations. So today we will see how we can write, read and append any like string or any line in particular file. These are the basic operation we will see in file handling. Here I have wrote some key points like what we will discuss today. So how we write any file. So this is syntax we have to pass open in bracket that file name. After that, mode, which mode you want to prefer over there. So like mode is over here, W is nothing but write mode. Again same, we have wrote open file name, mode equals to R. R is nothing but write mode. This is how you can pass any mode whichever you want, but you have to pass it in string, just like write or read or something else. Okay, something else, that is a paint. Okay, so I will keep it empty. This is what the syntax is, but you have to pass the name of your mode is in double quote. After that, or I can say quote. File name is also in quote because that is string, right? After that, which mode we will see today, like write, append, read. This write bytes and read bytes quite similar. So you have to see what exactly this is. And if you won't able to get it, I will surely explain in next video. Then write mode X. So let's begin with write mode. Okay. So we are having two mode for write, like W and X, but I will explain functionality how it will differ from each other. Write mode, it will create new file if does not exist, and if file exists it will overwrite that file. So you have to understand, if you have any file with particular name like text, text, then if you will try to write something in that file, then it will overwrite it, that file with this line. Else if not present that file, it will create that file or write that into that file. Let's check it out over here. See, we have created this file using this write mode. After that, append mode, it will create new file if does not exist. It will add text to the file if file already exists. Same in append. Okay, so here we have tried to like next file with file one name. I will explain the syntax once. Like this is variable. After that, open in bracket, I have created name, file name with text, test, and my mode is write mode. After that, I have used write dot file dot write. In that, I have wrote this. This file we have created using write mode. Okay. After that, we are simply closing it because we do not want to open it right now. So that's why I have executed like this, and then we have went over here in our folder and then checking, yeah, we have created that file. After that, same for append, you have to use append mode over here, same syntax it will be. Then after that, you have to say like file one dot write this text, we are writing it in that file. That's why we have passed that text over here, and we are closing it too. So let's see test 2. Just a minute. Okay, let's execute it once again. Why it is not created? Okay, it will, why it is not creating new file? How to create new file? Okay, I'm so sorry guys. So text2.txt we have used and it have created that file. So we will like what we will do, we will refresh it again and see. Over here you can able to see its output. Hey, we tried to open something in this file. Okay, so this is how. If you won't able to see, try to refresh it and you will see definitely whatever present in that. Okay, after that, read mode. Read mode, what we will do in read mode, we will read that file over here in this page only. So what I did, I have created new file that with name with write mode. So let's create it and we will pass this text in that. So I will execute this text firstly and then this write mode. After that we will try to read it over here and then we will print whatever we have read. So how we have used read, so we have simply used open that new file comma read, that is r. After that in text underscore we are storing this file underscore r dot read, and then we are closing it and we are printing it this variable. That's it. Okay, after that we will pass this text. We will again try to read one file with the name new file dot txt. After that again we will try to read it. Over here we have read it. So you might think like, why you are not showing over here as that file, right? So see, we have created that file over here too. Understood? Moving forward, read lines. It returns list of the text lines in that file. So we will read the similar file and see. Here you can able to see this list sign. That's what read lines do. Read lines read all the lines of that particular that file. Okay, and it will gives us in list. But what read line do, it will read single line for every single that read line syntax. See, we have tried to read over here, we have used only file dot read line once, that's why it is reading only one line. After that we have used two times twice, so see it have read these two lines. After that, what is x mode? So guys, keep your attention over here. It will check if file exists. If not exist, it will write in that file. It will create and write in that file. And if file exists, it will throw an error to us. So let's check it out. Another file is not exist. That's why it is created this file another. After that, if you will try to open this new file, that is also not exist, that's why it is created with x mode. But now what we will do, we will copy it and paste it over here and we will try to store it in the for value and let's check it out what it gives. See, it will give us file exist error. So this is what the working of write mode x, and this is how we deal with file handling. This is as much as simpler topic, guys. Go through it and meanwhile go through shorts video too, because I'm posting important question over there. It will help you to learn some questions easy way, and this long content for explaining you every topic in detail. So hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe. We will see next video very soon, and keep learning, keep upgrading. Bye, see you soon.